All Kongba Road United Clubs organization, in short Akrukok, warned for intense agitation if the repair work of Imphal-Yairipok Road failed to resume by July 19. Speaking to media, co-convener of Akrukok, Salam Surjit, highlighted that the construction of road was scheduled to be completed before monsoon and the repair work was started after Akrukok appealed to the state government to repair the badly affected stretch from Kongba Bridge to Kairao Salam. However, due to slow progress of the work, Akrukok had also appealed to the chief engineer of PWD and relevant contractors to expedite the work. Later, the representatives of the club also met with Work Minister Govindas Konthausam to resume the halted work. Despite repeated appeals, the road construction is yet to resume. He maintained that road construction plays a vital role in the economic and social development of a state and urged the relevant authority to resume the construction work by July 19. He also warned for intense agitations from the midnight of the same day if the authority fails to resume the construction.
Yamna maru oiba koi state ki lambi ama oiba si matang kuina dagi semdana lakibadu haukiba chahi ama muksida koi lambi semba hobiram laga lambi asi nongju pantha laktingida loisanaba honorable CM amasung works minister na subiba contractor da yamna akanba wafam thamaga lambi semba hobiraki adubu lambi asi semba horoiba contractor na yamna maram chadana matat subiba amasung yamna tapna subibana ngasi di lambi asi asuki matik Pibam Chadre, Lagliba, Tang Taramapan, Pavagi Manunga, Lambia si Semba, Horatuna, Yamatuama Tangimanga Losin Bidragadi, Akukona Akan Makungang Changin Bagaloina, Tang Trampangi, Ahingunga, the Gidiakoi, Yanakanba, Makan Makaki, Punjan, Sunjo in the Changilagani, Maramaduna, Akukona, Yanakan Makungang, Changela Trigi, Manguina, Marine and Department, Sum Contentana, Lambia Sibu, Atubada, Semba, Hobiranava, Puning Chinjari.